Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is another makeup and chat Monday video. I hope you guys are excited about this one. I'm not going to be speaking too much. Basically, it's going to be a voiceover. So voiceover equals shorter video, I hope. So let's hope it doesn't take me 20 years to edit this video and it's not too long. But if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, make sure you stay tuned. I'm going to list all the products that I use down in the description bar. I felt really plum maroon-ish with this one, so I just put this look together. I don't have any false lashes on today. I just used my favorite mascara. But again, everything is going to be down in the description box. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Check me out. I got my foundation on. You guys know I never start like that, but I got my foundation on. I got one eye done, eyebrows already done. Okay, we are ready to go for this one. So first things first, I'm jumping in with my Peachy Queen palette that I've got from I don't know, I'll put the website down below. I saw this brand on Instagram and I thought this palette was so cute, so I bought it. I'm going in with this first color right here just to get a transition color down and make sure everything is nice and smooth. So yeah, I'm going to apply this color first, and the brush that I'm using is from BH Cosmetics. This brush is a part of the It's My Raye collection. These brushes are so soft, so helpful. I love these brushes. They're so cute, great quality for a great price. You guys should definitely check them out. I'll do my hardest to put the link in the description. So second, I'm going to go ahead and quickly jump into that brown from the Peachy Queen palette, and I'm putting that right under where I put that first color, just to kind of darken up the crease area just a bit. And I'm also going to be bringing that color down to my outer corner area and kind of making like a V shape with it, just on the outer corner portion of my eye, of course. Now I'm going in with Noir from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to darken up my outer corner just a bit. And I'm using this brush that I think I got this from like Michael's or something, but it's just like a small domed fluffy brush, because I just want to concentrate that black color right in the outer corner. And then I'm going to blend it out, because obviously for this look we want to have a gradient effect. So just adding that black to the outer corner here, and I'm just going to pull it a little bit in. And now I'm going in with Fudge from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to blend that into the black, and then into my crease area I'm kind of adding the Fudge and also bringing that black to my crease area, but the Fudge will kind of disperse the color so it's not so harsh in my crease area, but I do want it darker, of course. Back into the Peachy Queen palette, I'm going to use this brown right in the middle. And I'm just going to add that. It's a lot of layering and blending for this look, but these like gradient ombre-ish kind of looks are my favorite. I think they like look the best on my eye shape. I love to do this like half cut crease look. Now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. Sorry, I tried to show you guys, but that was a fail. So let me zoom you guys in, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut out my crease here. I'm not gonna bring the concealer all the way in because I wanna leave the outer corner dark. I'm just using the concealer like half of my eye. You guys will see though. So this time when I'm doing this cut crease, I am using more of a round brush. These are easier for me, like opposed to me using that angled eye shadow brush that I was using before. But yeah, just use any like small flat concealer brush to do this. And I'm not going to set that concealer either. Once I'm laying it there, I'm just going to jump right into the shadows. So here is my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm just going in with that white color. That's the first color that I'm going to be applying. this palette is really cool too. I really, really like all the bright colors in it. And this brush is from the It's My Raye set too. Like, hey Raye. Now I'm going in with this light pink color. I did wipe the brush off a bit, so it's not too much white there, but it doesn't matter anyway because the white is next to the pink and I want them to kind of blend in. But I did wipe my brush off, so I'm just applying that pink right next to the white and blending the two together where they meet. Now I'm going into the 35B palette from Morphe again, taking that maroon burgundy-ish color, and I'm going to apply that right next to where I applied the pink. So it's white, light pink, and then the maroon color, then brown, then a little black in the outer corner. So I'm just blending this color in. And guys, when you're blending, don't be afraid to move your hands around. Like, I'm using the brush in different angles, and don't be afraid to go back and forth and just make sure those colors are blended. Like, I'm going up and down, side to side, just to make sure I get those colors blended the way I want them to be. And I'm going back into the outer corner and just darkening that up a bit with the black and then the brown. It's a whole process. Like, I keep going back and forth and back and forth, but I just want to make sure everything is blended the way I want it to be. Because sometimes when you're blending, you lose a little bit of color. So you just want to add it back and get things popping again, you know? So here I'm going in with the white just to clean up that area and get it nice and crisp. Look at that right there. I got some, I don't know, I think it's black eyeshadow on my face, but I'm gonna just ignore it. I'm going into the 35B palette and grabbing that like shimmery yellow color, and I'm popping that on my brow bone just to give me a little highlight right there. Ooh, look at this. So this is an oldie but goodie. So this is the NYC liquid eyeliner. Fun fact, this is the first liquid eyeliner that I've ever tried. It's the best liquid eyeliner ever. But I think that it's discontinued because you can't really find it anywhere. But I did find this. I used to use it when they had like the colorful NYC on the packaging, like it was pink, yellow, and blue, but they upgraded on us. So yeah, this liquid eyeliner is super matte. You guys really should try it out. I'm jumping to my under eye area now, and I'm just adding that brown color from the Peachy Queen palette. Now I'm adding the darker brown color to my under eye area, and then I'm gonna go back into the Morphe 35B, grab that maroon burgundy color, and I'm gonna add that to my under eye because I really want it to be smoked out, but I want you to still get some of that like maroon color under there. I really, really like this look. I like how everything came together. Just make sure you blend that out, smoke it out as much as you want. Now I'm going back in with that lighter color I use for my brow bone because I gotta get it popping. I'm adding that to my inner corner, but only at the bottom. And here I'm just being silly, showing you my nail. Shout out to my nail tech, she's the best. I've wiped all that powder off, and now I'm working on my lips. I do have Vaseline on my lips, but I am just applying the brown lip liner from, I think this is NYC too. But you can use any brown eyeliner that you have. Now I'm going in with a kind of burgundy lip liner here because I'm creating, of course, like a ombre-ish effect on my lips too, so I can match my eyes. So just drawing that in a little bit and leaving the center of my lips bare, but not really, because I'm adding, this is Snob from MAC. I'm adding that to the center of my lips, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add more pencil so it can have like, get it the way I want it to be. And now I'm adding some clear lip gloss with a little bit of glitter, but you can't see the glitter. And that's it, y'all. How y'all feeling? How y'all liking it? I like it. I didn't use any false lashes for this look, but here come the slow-mos after I put the mascara on. You freaking with it or nah? You like it? I like this look. I didn't put any highlight right here, and I actually like the way my skin looks without it. I did eventually add my Pose highlight from ColourPop, but you guys probably saw that in the beginning, but it's not here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Shout out to my slow-mos at the end. Shout out to me. All right, guys. See you later. Bye-bye.